Okay, here's the last ceiling fan in the house. It's a Harbor Breeze Bellhaven. Let's check it out. Low. It moves a lot of air. I don't like it, but my mom likes it, so it stays. I just turned it off. There's medium, which is the speed it's normally run on. And full steam ahead. Listen to that wind noise. It moves a decent amount of air. It's not great, but it's more than plenty for my parents' needs. Spin down. Perfect. I can't sit on the rocking chair. I can sit on the little bouncy ball thing. It has another, it has a different color on top of the blades. My parents don't care. This is just the way it was when we bought the house. Sans light bulbs, of course, because I replaced those. Because they all burned out. And then the one problem with it is this one shade. I'm still filming the video. They're fine. I'm not gonna redo it. Not this time. I tried to film the Invinci dog video twice. Of course, problem is it's kind of hard not to include my mom in the video because I don't want to accidentally show her in the video, but then there's Daisy who follows my mother around all the time. So it's a little bit challenging, a little complicated, but whatever. As I've said previously, I don't really care even slightly about this machine. It's not the fan I would have picked, but my mother likes it, so it stays. I'll go ahead and put it back on medium, which is the speed she usually runs it on. And that's it.